A planned maintenance system, or PMS schedule, is essential for any ship's operational efficiency. Think of it as the backbone of your vessel's maintenance strategy. It's designed to keep everything running smoothly and to prevent unexpected breakdowns that can lead to costly downtime. So, what exactly is a PMS schedule? At its core, it's a structured plan that outlines all the maintenance tasks required for a ship, detailing when and how they should be performed. This includes everything from routine inspections to major overhauls. By adhering to this schedule, you ensure that every component of the ship is regularly checked and maintained, which significantly reduces the risk of failure. Now, let's talk about the crucial benefits of implementing a PMS schedule. First and foremost, it boosts efficiency. When maintenance is planned and executed systematically, it minimizes disruptions to operations. You can avoid those dreaded last minute repairs that not only waste time, but also put a strain on your crew and resources. Another key benefit is safety. A well maintained ship is a safe ship. Regular checks and maintenance help identify potential hazards before they become serious issues. This proactive approach not only protects your crew, but also safeguards the vessel and the environment. Now, what are the key elements of an effective PMS schedule? It starts with a comprehensive inventory of all equipment and systems on board. Each item should have a designated maintenance task, frequency, and responsible personnel. It's also vital to document everything meticulously. This documentation serves as a historical record, which is invaluable for future maintenance planning and audits. Implementing a PMS schedule requires commitment and organization. Start by training your crew on the importance of the schedule and how to follow it. Use clear visuals and checklists to make the process straightforward. Regularly review and update the schedule based on feedback and operational changes. This adaptability ensures that the PMS remains relevant and effective. Monitoring compliance is another critical aspect. Use software tools to track maintenance activities and generate reports. This not only helps in staying on top of tasks, but also provides insights into trends and areas for improvement. In conclusion, a well structured PMS schedule is not just a checklist, it's a strategic tool that enhances operational efficiency, boosts safety, and ultimately saves costs. By prioritizing maintenance and following a systematic approach, you can ensure that your ship remains in peak condition, ready to tackle any challenge that comes its way.